Make sure your voice gets heard in HOA elections. When annual HOA voting season rolls around, will you be able to cast a vote? The Board of Directors typically has the right to suspend your voting privileges if you violate the CC&Rs or have unpaid assessments. In some cases, you may not realize there's a problem until it's time to vote. If you want your voice heard, it's important to know if your voting rights are in place. To determine this, you need to check the suspension period guidelines set by the HOA. Suspension period guidelines. Even if your voting rights have been suspended in the past, you may be eligible to vote in the upcoming election. Your first step is to find out why your rights were suspended. The type of violation directly affects the duration of the suspension. For example, if the board disciplines you failing to pay an assessment, it may have the right to restrict your vote indefinitely until you pay the assessment. Conversely, if the suspension is the result of a violation of the CC&Rs or rule and regulations, the suspension may only be valid for 30 days. After that time period, you should have full voting rights even if you didn't receive an official notice. Furthermore, the Board of Directors cannot suspend your voting rights without following the established procedures for doing so. This includes giving an official notice of the violation, holding a hearing and providing a notice of the suspension within 15 days of the hearing. Your HOA works when you participate in it, so make sure your vote counts this year in the annual elections. If you need help dealing with your HOA, we're here to help you find solutions that strengthen the community. Call us at Hudack Law today and find out how our experience with homeowners associations can help you resolve issues with your HOA. Dial 714-351-3236 or visit www.hudacklaw.com.